How do you fix Quasimorph is crashing? So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab, in the launch options, you want to add -dx11, and then you want to go to installed files and verify the game files. And once everything is validated, you can close Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you want to get the redistributables for the 86 and the 64 systems. Install both of these. Once you finish the installation, this will require you to restart your computer. And right after restarting, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need this NVIDIA app here to download and install updates by going to drivers, and in here you can find the download button. I'm currently downloading the latest update. And once you install the update, all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should solve the crash problem. Now, if you're having a crash at the startup of the game, it's usually due to overlays. So you can start by disabling the Steam overlay. Go to Steam settings, scroll down, and then in-game, and make sure to disable this overlay while in-game. Now, you can also disable the NVIDIA overlay. Go to settings and features here and turn off the overlay. Next, you will also need to disable Discord. So open up Discord, user settings, and scroll all the way down and click on game overlay, and make sure enable overlay is turned off. And if you have Riva Static Tuner installed on your computer or MSI Afterburner, make sure to open it up and go to the settings and disable the overlay there as well. And then all you need to do is restart your computer, and then just open up Steam as admin again and launch the game from your library, and that should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.